The whole charm of having something which is 100-year-old or 150-year-old, and to realize how life would have been at that point of time using them, makes or gives it a very special feeling. A movie poster was earlier hand painted first, and everybody could recognize a movie star and then litho printed to be made it into a poster. Today you can print anything or everything, even on a cake. So it is not art, it is something that is just technology has brought in and has transferred it. If I was to type a letter on a typewriter, it was a piece of art because I could not afford to make a mistake. I did not have a spell check, I did not have a go back button, I could not have a delete button, I did not have a rectify button. I love putting together matchboxes because there is so much variety available every day. ये matches जो आपको दिख रही है, ये जिस दिन भारत आज़ाद हुआ था उस दिन लॉन्च की गई थी. 1970s you could see Hema Malini donning all the matchboxes. Then different kinds of watches. They're all very, very creative. The whole sound of the pendulum, the whole tick-tocking of the clocks, the wheel movements, I find them very charming and I find them very nice. ये जितनी watches बनाई जाती थी, ये इस aspect से बनाई जाती थी कि ये अगले 30 साल, 40 साल, 50 साल last कर रही हैं. The third one, it obviously has to be cameras. ये कैमरा एक प्लेट कैमरा होता था. इस कैमरा को ढूंढने के लिए मैंने करीब 2.5 साल लगा दिए. इस कैमरा के करीब 45 साल बाद का कैमरा है ये एक और बेलो कैमरा है. दोनों बेलो कैमराज हैं, दोनों प्लेट कैमराज हैं. फोटोग्राफी जो आज की डेट में एक बहुत सिंपल काम है, वो एक बहुत मेहनत का, एक बहुत एक्सपर्टीज का काम होता था जो कुछ ही लोग कर पाते थे. ये एक्चुअली एक सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर में यूज किया गया कैमरा है जो अमेरिकन एयरक्राफ्ट में लोड किया जाता था और एयरक्राफ्ट से इससे फोटोग्राफी की जाती थी. The fourth one I think would be typewriters because again in its 120-130 year history it's been a very, very charming. Unluckily they are no longer existing. ये आज से 104 साल पुराना टाइपराइटर आज के लैपटॉप की जगह लेता था उस जमाने में. मैंने बहुत कम ये 3 रो वाले टाइपराइटर और फोल्डिंग टाइपराइटर्स देखे हैं. एक तरफ 17-18 किलो का टाइपराइटर बना रहे थे, टेबल टाइपराइटर्स. वहीं पे हम एक 3-4 किलो का फोल्डेबल कैरिंग टाइपराइटर क्रिएट करके एक बॉक्स में बना पा रहे थे. And I think then my vintage cars. A charm of a vintage car never gets over. It is the feel of sitting in one, it is the feel of chugging along in it, which takes you to a different world altogether. And one of them was very commonly referred to as the mafia car. That's the Hudson Super 6. And if we see the movies in the 1940s and the early 1950s of the Americans, you will see this Hudson being driven through and you will see the mafia king coming out of the back door of the car with his guns blazing. You have to start with probably a category, not do what I do because that makes you go crazy. Pick up a category which you're passionate about, number one. Number two, you have to learn it. You cannot just start collecting without learning it. The easiest way to becoming passionate collector is buy somebody's collection to start with. Kunal, आप कौन सी वाले बोल रहे हैं? आशुतोष? I guess family had already gave up on me long back. My mother, when I used to be a kid and I used to go around collecting matchboxes, used to tell me, तूने बड़े होके ना कबाड़ी बनना है. और क्यों इस पे इतना सारा ज़िंदगी में पैसा लगाता रहता है, क्यों इस पैसे से अपनी ज़िंदगी एंजॉय नहीं कर लेता. पर मुझे वो चीज़ें एक बहुत खुशी दे रही हैं. I have people around the country who keep offering or who keep finding or who keep coming across things and they keep letting me know. One are collectors themselves. When they come across different product categories and they are not interested, so they let you know. Secondly, it is agents across the country. And thirdly are my local kabaddi friends. See, it's a very expensive and a very space consuming activity. You can see I'm actually cluttered up already. Somebody has got to maintain that, because somebody has to be able to relate the past to the present and to the future. None of the people walking on this earth have ever managed to take anything with them. So everything is going to come back and stay here itself. So why don't I fulfill my hobby and why don't I fulfill my happiness? I want the next generations to actually be able to see how a product was, rather than to see a product in a picture. So somehow or the other, all this has to be consolidated. It has to be brought in as history as it was, not as history what we study in schools, in the books.